collaboration software, free Walt smart radios for every worker, a network, it can all seem like a little too much for one person to handle, especially when there's so many other things in your organization to take care of. That's why we have you covered with weCare. weCare is our very own managed service. We take care of everything weavix related for you. The software, the hardware, the network, anything weavix deployed is on us, all at no additional cost to you. So how does it work? And does it really include everything? Absolutely. weCare takes ownership of all necessary repairs, replacements, and upgrades to any of our hardware. So, when you notice a damaged Walt in your fleet, we'll replace it for you. Even when a new model of our Walt smart radio drops, you'll be alerted and one of the first organizations in line to receive it. As we've said time and time again, your communications are only as good as your network. When weavix sets you up on a private LTE network, weCare covers any maintenance and repair for that too. We've made the process of managing all that weavix has to offer easy, because we don't want to take you or anyone in your organization away from what's really important, your business. weCare ensures all your weavix devices are functioning properly and you're always using the latest weavix has to offer. There's no upsell, no service fee, anything. Just a few clicks and you're good to go. weavix is your partner in collaboration for your entire organization, and weCare is our way of showing that, well, we care about the success of your organization and the productivity of your workforce.